Hi guys, it's Ray. I have a package from Butterfly Lane Designs. I don't know what's going on out in the world. I don't know if this is a sub box, but timing wise it says sub box. I'm still locked out of Facebook, so I have no idea. Well, let's open it up and see what Jess sent me. Oh, that's pretty. I am just very out of touch with everything lately. So, right off the bat, I love the colors of this. Here's a wrap. This says made of magic with black and blue roses and some daisies. And this gorgeous little fairy wrap. Dreams don't work unless you do. Very pretty. Some vinyl with these gorgeous, gorgeous moons and flowers. Butterflies, moons, and flowers. Pink and orange. This is super pretty too. Another floral. Love it. Some moths with flowers and moons. And another one. I love these. These are all stunning. This one feels a little familiar. But blue and purple. Pinkish. And these are all solids. None of them say clear. Cool. Let's see what we've got for decals. If you order sub boxes, remember to order them separately. I will put the links down below. Dreams don't work unless you do. Oh. This says, she is beautiful, kind, strong, brave, fierce, and full of fire. Love that. Grow happy thoughts. Part of me is magic, part of me is tragic. Yeah, I feel every bit of that. And she is magic, worthy, strong, fearless, blessed, and loved. So, those are all our vinyls and our decals. And then a wrap, 20-ounce wrap, I believe. Let's see. Yep, that's a 20. And our, this would be like a can wrap, but you can cut it apart and use the elements individually. And this is a UV DTF. So, this can go on anything. It could go on a coffee mug. It can go on anything because it does not need to be sealed. Once this is on, it's on. It takes a lot of work to pick these off. I've been using my work cup that I did with this back in January, and it is absolutely perfect. It goes back and forth to work with me, shoved in my bag every single day, bounced on and off my work cart, and no problems whatsoever. So that is everything in this one. Do not forget to order separately. No discounts on sub boxes. And I will put the links down in the description below for Butterfly Lane Designs. So that is it, and I will see you soon.